how to transfer dogs from Bitget to Binance. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, click on Assets, and now select the spot from the top bar and click on Withdraw. And as you can see here, from the search bar, type dogs like that. And as you can see, select the token. Now, after that, click on Option Withdrawal. Now, after that, select the network. Now, after that, to get the withdrawal address and the memo of the token, you need to open the Binance app. Now, after you open the Binance app and log into your account, to get the withdrawal address and the memo of that token, you can go and click on Assets and select the spot from the top bar and click on Deposit. Now, in the search bar, search for dogs like that. So after you find it, just click on it. And now set the network as the open network. And as you can see, click on OK. Now copy the withdrawal address and go back to your Bitget and just paste it here. And now to go back to Binance and just copy the memo address and go back to your Bitget app and paste it here in the memo. Now after that, you can set the amount that you want to transfer, and after that it is as simple. You just click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to about a few minutes, you will be able to receive your dogs token from Bitget to Binance account. So this is how to transfer dogs from Bitget to Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.